So Mujib Bajpayee Express started the procedure for NM Mangalore semi-final number 2 of in this most prestigious cricket tournament. Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara taking against NM Mangalore. Sarfraz G guys, Chokabettu is really well wishing for in this wonderful cricket tournament. Thank you so much, Sarfraz Chappa, but what a shot here. Prajwal with the brilliant shot into the deep mid-wicket for 4. Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara started very well here. Ball is in the air for some time. 2 fielders are converged for that. After hitting the top, it got a big bounce actually. No chance for the fielder to stop that one. But races into the fence for 4. What a brilliant batting. Absolutely magnificent start here for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. Mujib, third time is bowling back from the far end, bowling from Bidra Media cameraman end. Beautiful shot! This time there is a fielder. Ball is sailing over his head for 6. Prajwal Janardhan, what a brilliant start. Previous one deep mid-wicket. This time long on, fancy targeted. What a shot. Absolutely magnificent start for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. Brilliant. The spectator taken the catch, one-handed catch, but that outside the ground. It's a good delivery. They went for that risky run. Good running between the wicket. What a dream start for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. Absolutely magnificent. So normally Mujib, right consistent. Look at that replay once again. You can see that. Oh, that's a good catch. Very good catch. That cricket lover really enjoyed that. Mujib. Beautiful delivery, almost incoming one for the right-handed batsman. Riaz just played into that short square leg and collected a single. 13 on the board. Dream start here for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara, courtesy of brilliant from Prajwal. What a year, what a season he is having with the bat. He is such a fabulous player in under-arm cricket. But in Mangalore, quality side in under-arm cricket. Once again, good looking shots. This is even better. No one moved from their place because that went like a bullet from the bat of Prajwal. Expensive over started. 1 over completed, which came 17 runs. What a fabulous batting. Out of 17, 15 run came from the bat of Prajwal in a just 4 delivery. "17 on the board without losing any wicket. What a start for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. Riaz. This is a crucial over for NM Mangalore. He is the man in a very good form. Oh, that's waiting that. Far away outside off stamp. Wide signal from the umpire. That feel like a salt on the wound for them because that wide delivery. Now they moved on to 18 on the board. 7-over game. They got a 18 in the first over. 17 plus 1 now. Form of the wide delivery. Riaz is such a fabulous bowler for NM Mangalore. Riaz Gauri at the striker's end. Riaz versus Riaz. All this time just played behind the square. Riaz wanted single. His partner denied. Wide signal from the umpire. Now he's asking for the review. I request third umpire Sheikh Malali. Yes, review successful. That's a legal ball. Just inside the line. Just inside the line it started. Riyaz, second time is poorly marked. So this time lovely looking shot. This time Riyaz joined the party. Long chase for the fielder. Some foot skill, but ball races into the fence for 4. What a carnage of the batting here. This opening pair doing the job for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. This time Riyaz Gauri with a brilliant shot. Fielder has tried his best to stop the ball on his leg, but ball just crossed the line. In fact, even Atif, look at that, that's honesty shown by the Atif. When he attempted the leg, that time leg on the line, Atif seen that and straight away signaled that a 4-run to the umpire. That's honesty in a cricket. Thank you so much, Atif. He's such a fabulous cricketer. Riyaz, what a lovely shot into the deep extra cover. Good fielding, and they completed 2-run. Good cricket all round, good bowling, good batting, equally better fielding. Azhar Mallur and Mujib combined stop that ball. So 2 more run added, 24 already in the board for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. What a dream start. Dream start for the Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. 2 opening batsmen doing the job for them. But NM Mangalore, they got a formidable bowling line attack. Riyaz tried his play, his favorite shot across batted one, but he could not find any bat on it. So that's a much required dot for NM Mangalore. So the last 2 balls remaining of the power play. Oh, that's almost given up. Calling a suicide in a cricket language. Straight back to the bowler drive. Riyaz shown a lot of energy. There's a caught and bowled, I think. Yes, caught and bowled. Same kind of dismissal for Riyaz actually. In the previous match also, similar kind of edge went to the hand of Azhar Mallur at mid-off actually that time. This time almost back to the bowler. Same kind of edge, and Riyaz completed that. Even Riyaz Gauri knows that himself before raising the finger of umpire. Riyaz Gauri himself said that yes, I'm gone. Lifted his finger, but what a great innings he played along with the Prajwal so far. Last 1 ball remaining. Now this is the time for NM Mangalore to come back. They need to show good body language because 7-over game. They have the opportunity of comeback. Yes, they conceded 24 in 1.5. If they able to come back, definitely possible chance for them. Yes, 1.5, 24 for the loss of 1 wicket. Ravi, Salian, Padayuru into the middle at number 3 for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. One more high quality player. Beautiful delivery, wide down the leg side. Very rare you can see that NM bowler starting with some few wide delivery. Normally very consistent Riyaz. Saifullah watching the match, owner of Mangalore restaurant in Saudi Arabia. He's watching the match through Bedra Media. He's really well wishing for Toda Crop. Good delivery outside edge into that gully direction where the fielder Faisal stopped that ball. Batsman had enough time to take the single. Over number 2 completed, 26 for the loss of 1 wicket, and what a good start for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara, led by Prajwal, supported by Riaz Gauri. Now one more very good player, Ravi Salian Padayuru into the middle. And also his brother Akbar also watching the match. Owner of Mangalore Restaurant, 2 brothers, they really love the cricket. They really love Todar, friends Todar. They supported very well. Thank you so much, Saifullah and Akbar, 2 brothers. This time just played into that backward point. Now the time to announce man of the match of that last league match, which played NM Mangalore versus KFC Todar. At one moment, NM really cruising, but one young bowler bowled a brilliant bowling performance and some electrified fielding. Dakshit of KFC Todar, man of the match in the previous match. I request Dakshit, please come to the main stage and collect your man of the match wall clock from that donated by Ashraf Warpet. Vishal Todar, owner of that fighter Todar, he will present that man of the match award for Dakshit. I request Dakshit, please come here, collect your man of the match. What a fantastic young cricketer Dakshit. He's a fabulous player, good fielder in the field, shown a lot of energy in the field. 2.3 completed, 29 for the loss of 1 wicket. Good start here for Gauri Young Boys Pandeshwara. Atif, he's a champion all-rounder. Whenever NM struggling, this man performed like a hero in Andhra cricket. Went for the cross, batted shot, edge of the bat. There's the fielder at backward square leg, and he taken the catch. One more batsman, in fact the opening batsman Prajwal, walking back to the pavilion. Imran Munna taken the catch at a deep backward square leg.